Hello, this is Paul Milligan for ISE Show TV at ISE 2018. I'm joined today by a familiar face. It's Marc from Powersoft. Welcome, Marc.
Good morning, how are you?
I'm very well, very well. So, the Powersoft name really has become famous for the kind of providing big power and huge events, but yet we're seeing products like the Duecanali here being aimed at sort of small to medium installs. Can you tell me sort of some of the reasons for that?
Well, the Duecanali, which is the product we are launching now at ISE this year, and I have to say we're in Hall 15 this year, so come and visit us at U265. It's actually part of a range of products. It's part of the Quattrocanali and Ottocanali. Ottocanali has been introduced 3 years ago. Quattrocanali has been introduced last year at ISE in Amsterdam. So exactly a year ago. And the Quattrocanali has been proven very successful in the fixed installation market, aiming towards the medium market. So we thought for the small market we want to cater a product which is actually 2 channels. Starts at 400 watts per channels and goes up to 2,400 watts per channels, which is the Duecanali range.
Sure. So a really kind of new adventure for you guys. And how have you found it in that, like you said, in that 12 months?
It is and it isn't, because the fixed install market has always been addressed by Powersoft. The DSP we have in our products is superior. The quality we have in our products is superior. The use of energy, the heat emission of our products is one of the lowest in its kind. So we've been used into fixed installations a lot over the last years. With those dedicated products, we actually extended those possibilities for those particular markets. And we see now that many of our distributors and system integrators and consultants actually are adopting these products and using it as a standalone piece of equipment or in a larger network of equipment.
I mean, one of the sectors the Duecanali is aimed at is the retail sector, which kind of caught my eye when I first read it, because it's not often one that you see the pro audio sector kind of looking at really. Could you explain your reasons for maybe providing a product for the retail sector?
Well, first of all, we see that the retail sector is getting more and more professional, so they have a demand for high-level products. And I think that the retail sector really wants a product which is stable. They can trust on, they can rely on, it works every day in the same way, it produces the same content. We are able to really set things up with our DSP in our products. Actually, the Duecanali and Quattrocanali and the range of products is meant to be a standalone product. In a shop environment, a retail environment, most of the time there's music playback, and by using our platforms, the Duecanali and Quattrocanali, actually the need of extra equipment is actually lowered. So one Quattrocanali or Duecanali can be used for streaming background music, for doing messaging on board, or maybe doing some announcements, and reducing therefore the need for a lot of external DSP equipment or control equipment.
And final question, I see you guys have updated your software, Harmonia, in the last 6 months. How important has software become to the larger kind of pro audio manufacturers like Powersoft?
Software in general, and specifically third-party interfacing, is getting more and more important. We need to be able to interface with the likes of Extron, Crestron, or other companies. Also, Harmonia is getting more and more important. In Harmonia, we're able to set up our systems, we're able to program our systems, we're able to make groups of our systems, we're able to set up our DSP. And within Harmonia, we also have added some new features like operator view. And in the amplifier, actually, we have an embedded software which is able to address the amplifier and control the amplifier without the need of any computer. So that's why we keep on updating Harmonia. So we think that the DSP, Harmonia, and a total package of solutions is allowing the user to have a standalone solution, especially when we talk about the small level or the smaller applications like retail shops.
Yeah. Marc, well, it's great to talk to you. Thanks for your time.
Again, thank you very much.